Hey guys, it's Scary today, and today I'm gonna show you how to make slime with only hand wash and some shampoo. So let's get started. So you'll be needing is something to stir with, something you have to put your ingredient on. And I'm gonna show you that I made a slime, so I'm just gonna show you. Here's the slime that I made, so be right back. So here is it. And I cannot just wait. So, but it's really slimy, so I'm just show you it. So, here's it, and as you can see, so I'm gonna show you that. The ingredients you'll be needing is some Adagio body wash. You can use any kind of body wash you want. I'm using this. And some Palmolive shampoo. You can use any kind of shampoo you want. So I'm using a sachet because I don't have a bottle thing. First, you want to pour your Palmolive into it. So I'm just gonna I just poured the Palmolive, as you can see. Then you want to pour the body wash. So I'm just gonna open. So just put the body wash into it. So I'm just gonna pour the body wash in here. Just gonna then you're gonna mix it. So I'm just gonna mix. If you want to add more body wash, you wanna add it more if you want. So I think I'm gonna add. It's gonna turn to like this thing. Like goodness. You have just to put this in the freezer. Sure, you wanna put this in the freezer for about anything you want to put it, and if you wanna try to mix with, just gonna mix it right now. Wait. So I have just to mix, but I cannot show you that I'll be mixing because I'm the only one doing this. Keep mixing. Until you have this consistency. That one that I made because it just freeze this for a while. Wait. So thank you guys so for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and like. Bye!